Hey there. Today I am sharing with you my favorite online resources for creating your own font pairings and also what I'm thinking about as I'm creating font pairings for my clients. When I am pairing fonts for clients, I am making sure that they're easy to read, that my clients aren't going to get sick of using them, that they look good in a variety of places, and I want to just make my clients' job easier when they go to create a design. So picking fonts that are easy to use is really going to help you with that as well. So I always have a headliner font, which is a font that you would use for a title, and then subheadings are just for a little accent. And then the body text, that's what you're going to use for your paragraphs and most of the text when you use that on your website, when you create worksheets. So make sure that one is very easy to read. And then if you like a script as an accent, you can add that in as well. But again, I suggest making sure it's very easy to read across multiple versions of words. You're going to want to check that before you choose which script you want to use. Here are 3 of my favorite online resources for looking through font pairings that you might like. This first one is Canva has a link to where they have multiple font pairings, and I'm going to share the link with you. You can just scroll through and look at the different versions that they have. It tells you what the font is, and then it kind of shows it in action. Another resource I like is Hey Reliable, and I will also share the link to this. It shows you the fonts working together. You can even look at this and decide a headliner font that you like, and then find another main text font that you like as well. But this is just to give you an idea of what they look like when you're working with them. And you can scroll through here. Another great resource is fontpair.co. Again, you can just see the fonts in use so that you have a better idea of what you like. Choosing your fonts and sticking with them for all of your projects helps you look professional. It simplifies your design work, and it gets rid of all that exhaustion and overwhelm that you feel from scrolling through millions of fonts. So choose your font pairings, stick with them, and then you're going to want to add them to your brand kit in Canva, and let me show you where you do that really quickly. Go to the Canva homepage and click on brand. Here you can add new. This is where you will name your brand kit. And then once you have your font pairings chosen, you can add that headliner font to title and heading, and then you're going to add subtitle, whatever one you pick there, and then you can also add your body text. And then what I usually do for my script font is I change out the quote and I change that to say script, and then add my script font there. Okay, so get those fonts chosen, stick with them, and keep moving forward with your business. And we'll see you next time.